Hey, let's try to create 10 TikTok video ideas using ChatGPT. Not just abstract videos, but for a real company, moving company LA. Let's go down to business. Open ChatGPT. In a new chat, enter the text. As you can see, we've got general recommendations for long videos. Let's clarify that we need short videos. It's better, but still not what might be useful. Let's add that the video is for TikTok. Now this is something you can work with. Let ChatGPT now create a video storyboard for one of the options. We can also ask to use fun and humor in the video. ChatGPT can create a video storyboard, but it can't cope with the script which might be used. After looking through 10 suggested ideas, we got 10 ready-made video scenarios for TikTok. Only thing left to do is to make a video based on them. Remember, the main thing is to describe what you want to receive in response from ChatGPT in a clear and detailed way. Do you have more questions? Ask them in the comments. Leave likes and subscribe to the channel. See ya!